Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the SAT Math. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure and common question styles. Next, pinpoint your specific areas of strength and those needing improvement across algebra, geometry, and data analysis. Finally, develop a realistic study plan, dedicating specific times each week to review concepts and complete practice problems. This structured approach will build a strong foundation. To truly master SAT Math, focus on a thorough review of core concepts in algebra, geometry, and data analysis. Utilize official SAT practice materials to work through a variety of problems. Don't just solve them, deeply analyze any incorrect answers. Understanding why you made a mistake is crucial for improvement. This targeted practice will solidify your understanding and boost your confidence. Effective test-taking techniques are just as important as knowing the math. Practice managing your time wisely for each section, ensuring you don't spend too long on any single question. Become proficient with your calculator, knowing when and how to use it effectively. Also, develop strategies for approaching difficult problems, like breaking them down or eliminating incorrect choices. As the test day approaches, take several full-length practice tests under strict timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. This helps build stamina and refine your pacing. Most importantly, ensure you get adequate rest the night before the SAT. A well-rested mind performs best. Also, for more great resources and a book that can truly change how you think about money, be sure to check the description below for links and other deals. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.